Hello, what is up, Chinilas at your service, Chinilas at your service. For today's video, we're gonna make content, second video about the benefit of alt. So why we need to create an alt and why alt is very important for the play-to-play player. So for today's video, we're gonna find a way to make our resources wisely. So let's go. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like and subscribe for if I have a new video like this, tips and tricks and how to earn a little bit. You are the first one who notified. So for further ado, let's start. So now I have now at my main character. See, I have now on my main character. So I'm gonna check this friendship proof if I have forgot something to buy. So now all I have to do, I'm gonna go to my alt. So we are talking about my main alt character. So maybe later we're gonna create another video. We're talking about the alternative character in different account. So as of now we are now at same account. So all I have to do is all these things will be removed. I'm gonna put it into storage equipment. So to have my alt character high CP and high damage. Then I'm gonna put all these things like this one, the alchemist, the catalyst, and then this one, the dark ore. I'm gonna put it the storage. So okay, now all are done. So let's switch to our alternative character. So for this video, we are talking about how to save our resources by using alternative character. You don't need to buy something. You don't need to buy materials or other resources from markets or by using Dayas. So this is a free material. So all you have to know to do is to have a time to grind your out. Now my character, my alternative character is using Battle Shield. So maybe later, maybe the next we are talking about this. Why should I use alternative character with Battle Shield? So for now we are focusing about resources. So if you see about we are focused now in about this catalyst and dark ore. So now gonna go to friendship proof. So my alternative character is level 40 but I have 50k CP because of my equipment. So I don't have to unlock this one. So I don't want to quest. I have no time to waste this. So why we need to transfer this catalyst? Because we need to transfer it because we need to craft the materials. You need to craft materials like this one. This temporal no. This radiant life core because we need to upgrade our our horses here. So we need life core. So why we need to go to our alternative character? Because of this. Look, we crop this material. If we crop this radiant life core, if you see, we have expend 1,500 temporal. So instead of instead of expensing this temporal in your main account, so by using your alternative character, the temporal this temporal has been used. You know, so like I've said on my past video, um, use this temporal focused on focus on imprint and relic for your main character. There is no other way. Just focus on that. So to have your main character as strong as you have. So now we are now crafting this material life core. So we need 10 of this uncommon. So I have 100. So I'm gonna create all this. Then 1, 2. Okay. So how many life core I got? So I have created one plus I have lock up this temporal. So if you grind this temporal, you know, every alternate character is different time of this corrupted lava to farm this temporal. See, on my main character, there is no time here because I'm gonna use this one. So Garbana too. So if you say, I go to Garbana, let's see, we're talking about Garbana. So we are maximizing time. So in this here in Garbana, because you have high CP and because you have decent equipment, so you are now killing these mobs here. So all our focus here, the drop of these mobs, the accessories, and we're gonna sell it in on trading. So you see our history. I sold been deleted because the list here 1 week only. So that is the one how to maximize your alternative character. If you see, I have level 42, but I have managed to tanky this all mobs here. See, and even here in this dungeon, if I'm gonna farm here, so I manage to tank all the mobs here. So this is a high chance to get the temporal. So farm your alternative character to get temporal here. to craft all the resources that we have. So if you see, I crafted this type core. So now I'm gonna upgrade my mount. Now what I want damage increase efficiency. Oh, see the level 10. So that is a free strength for your main character, because this mount is shared to your character. So see, so grind your alternative character. Get temporal. The focus here is temporal, or maybe get this quiz. Go to this quiz. You have get temporal too. So even you don't need to like this one. I'm gonna show you how to quiz a daily quiz, past daily quiz alternative character. So now the range of unlimited, just put it unlimited, the combat range. In here at auto combat, just para prioritize, turn off all the other, just focus on quiz objective only. So look, if I got teleported to the place where did my quiz is. If you see all the mobs, I'm gonna focus killing this quiz monster only. Even there are many mobs attacking me. Look, this is the way how I managed uh, to get past daily quest. See, even there are many monsters surrounded us. I'm just focused on killing the quest only because of RC. See, if you see here, there, this is the way to save your time in questing your out. So if you this is the best one to do daily, because you got this friendship proof and the temporal one. You have lack of temporal, just go to this dungeon, because corrupted labyrinth, it provides temporal, and it provides gold. If you need gold, just go in corrupted labyrinth and grind just in 1 hour. You see? So now if you have decent temporal piece on your alternative character, you need to craft all the materials needed on your main character, like life core, like you see earlier. I crafted life core. The second one is unlocking the skill of your mount. If you see here, you're gonna see here what should I unlock. So I need HP. I don't need a recovery. Maybe the important one, this one, barrier increase. So gonna find some most important. Barrier is good. Potion recovery, maybe the skill. So I need to get I don't have recovery. So I need to unlock this one. So to unlock this one, use your alternative character too. Don't use it on your main character. Why? Because unlocking that skill, or crafting material to unlock that skill, it costs temporal. Look at this one. So I need three of this. So I need three of this. So I have already two. So if you see this, you need to seal it and change it to dias. So I need to create this one. So if you see, it costs 250 temporal. You create this one. So all the resources of your character will consume, not on your main character. I hope you clear what I'm talking about. Okay. So that's it. So I'm gonna cut all this process for saving the time. So now I'm gonna share to you another trick how to trade this material. Look, then I go to storage. So I go. So if you see here, I get uncommon scroll. So scroll. But so this is only a tradable uncommon one. So it's tradable. So that's why it's available to put it into our storage. But look at here. Look at here. Our inventory. You'll see an rare, and you'll see a rare bounded, see, character bounded scroll. See, character bounded scroll. So this scroll is cannot be traded. So how can we manage to trade this one? Look, go to storage. You see, I have only two. Because the other one is this one too, 7. So look, I'm gonna craft this scroll here. I got epic. So there is no epic here. So I can craft this epic scroll here. I'll see what I got. If I transfer it to our storage, I get epic transferred because bounded. See, this material is used for your main character. So it gonna help to your main character. So this one, the epic one, trade it here. So use it to your character. I hope you understand. I hope all the tips and tricks that I have is clear to you. So for our I'm sorry for our English, because I'm not English. I'm not not speaking fluently in English. So I try to translate it to English, because some of my friends requesting us to make a English content. That's why I try to speak to you foreign language. So I hope you understand. I hope our tips and trick are clear to you. And in the next video, I'm gonna create another alternative character tips and trick too. So there are many ways, there are many things. How can we manage our alt to strengthen our main character? So that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope you will click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our new content. You are be right. Thank you. Like I've said before, Chinilas out. Bye bye.